Hello, computer applications students. For day one in module 7, we're going to be doing a fairly simple assignment. We're going to get ready for the rest of the week. So we're going to be using Office 365 this week, soon to be called Microsoft 365. Currently it is Office 365, but at the end of April, Microsoft's going to change the naming to just Microsoft 365. I don't know why. Don't know why. So anyways, so here's what we're doing today. You can follow along in Blackboard with the steps. They're laid out very clearly, but I'm going to go ahead and show you in the video form. So if you have any questions, hopefully between the video and the instructions in the actual assignment, you'll be able to do this. So what we're doing basically is we have 3 files, and we're going to put them in OneDrive, which is on office.com, or otherwise known as Office 365, Microsoft 365. So as you see on my screen here, if I'm logged in correctly, I see these applications on the web, and you may have seen these before. So we have Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and some other ones. Okay, we're not using these. So we're going to focus today on OneDrive, which is right here, this little guy here. Okay, so let's just erase this little thing. All right, so here's the story. You're going to log into office.com. Office.com being just Office, you go to office.com. We've done this multiple times. Hopefully you've done this since we've went home for the last couple of weeks. I can reset your password very quickly. If you find you cannot get in, please message me, email me, and I can reset it within a couple seconds and you'll be right in business. So assuming you're logged in, this is what you'll see on the screen right here. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on OneDrive. Okay. It's going to pop open OneDrive. And you're not going to see too much in here. You may see some files in here if you've been using this at school. Very few of you have been using OneDrive as far as I know. You've been using mostly Google Drive. So it's kind of similar to Google Drive, same basic idea. What you see are your files, and you can create as many folders as you want. These will be the folders that should be included already. There should be one called Documents and Personal Vault, this is a secure location for files. We're not going to really be utilizing this for this exercise. And also pictures, so you may find it useful. So what we're going to do is you're going to click on Documents right here, okay? And then you're probably not going to see any of these things here currently, most likely. What we're going to do is make this folder here called Templates. So if you don't see this, which you probably won't, you're going to come up here to New. You're going to get a new folder right here, okay? You're going to type in Folder. You're going to type in Templates, just like that. I'll do a second one just so you see it. Okay, it's going to create it, and then boom. And as soon as it creates it, go into the templates folder that you've just created. So again, I'll just do the blank one. So there should be nothing in here. Yours will just be called template. Okay. Now at this point, we're going to upload the 3 files that are connected to attached to the assignment. So there's an MLA template, an APA template, and a resume template. Those are the ones we're going to be using for later in the week for additional assignments. We're going to do one of those per day. So we're just getting ready today. So I'm going to explain those later. We don't need to worry about those today. So go to this upload, click on files, and just like in Google Drive, you're going to navigate to wherever you've saved these files. Now, if you're using a regular Windows computer or Mac computer, it'll most likely be in the downloads folder. Okay. If you're using a Chromebook, not sure your download location, but just put them somewhere where you know you can access them. You could put them in Google Drive and then retrieve them from Google Drive. That would be fine. You could do that. So you're going to select them, and then you're going to upload them. Okay. So in my case, they're on the desktop. You're looking for these ones that look like this: APA Style Report, DOCX, Student Resume, Modern Design, DOCX, and where's the last one here? MLA Style Research Paper, DOCX. Now the difference here is you may be thinking, these are templates, Mr. Harmison. I've used templates before, and these right here are also called templates, but these are DOTX. Okay, so these are really the native Word templates, but we can't use these, unfortunately, because we're using the office.com, Office 365 version of Word, and they don't recognize these files. So what I've done is I've downloaded them on my desktop version. I've created the DOCX actual Word documents. We're going to use those as your templates instead. If you had a full version of Word or Office at home, you would be able to open the DOTX. That's a mouthful, isn't it? DOTX. Those are actually templates. So what we're going to be using is DOCX. The X is what we just learned. The X was added on after Microsoft changed the format from DOC to DOCX as a result of adding the XML code. That was in that last module. We went through that whole process and figured out about the open office and XML and all those things. So that's why you're seeing DOCX. So go ahead and grab those files and hit open. Okay, we'll just do one here. Open. And it should upload it, and you should see it right away on your screen right there. See it? Okay. So as long as you have all three of them listed, you're going to do a screenshot of this real quick to show that you have all three listed in this templates folder. And you do that again by hitting the, depends on your keyboard, I guess. At school, you know, we have the function, the blue function, and the print screen. On my keyboard here at home, I don't have the blue, I just have print screen. So you can also hit the print screen button. It'll do the same thing. And then you open Paint 3D and you do paste. And then, you know, you get your JPEG or your PNG, and you're gonna upload that image file to the assignment, which kind of shows that you did this. So that's what I'm looking for to make sure that you did the assignment correctly, is I want to see some kind of proof, like a screenshot that you actually uploaded the three files, because we're going to use those throughout the week. So that's it. That's basically the assignment for today. Tomorrow, we're going to get into the next phase, which will be we're going to be using one of these files, and we're going to go into the template and kind of talk about what the template is and why we're using that template and what it's used for and why it's to your advantage to learn all this. So that's all for today. So if you have any questions about this process, please email me, message me, be happy to help you. So that's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.